Hi there. Welcome to our latest episode of What's on the Horizon. I'm Lori Sharonbrack here with Chris Shooker of Digital Horizons. And lately we've been talking a lot about motorized shades. I think I already know the answer to this question, but I'm going to ask it anyway.
Yeah.
What kind of motorized shades are the best?
Well, I'm totally not biased whatsoever.
I know.
So we our main motorized shade partner is Lutron.
Yep.
And we actually came to that conclusion about a year ago now. We've been installing, we kind of lump everything together under the title of window treatments.
Okay.
Or motorized window treatments for over a decade now, going on actually 13 years.
Wow.
And we've worked with several different companies, some of which are very key competitors to Lutron. And there were just a few things that weren't quite working out. And so over the winter, we did a bunch of training and kind of changed a lot of things about our showroom and kind of went all in with Lutron. And because I feel like I have a unique perspective on this because of our previous experience installing window treatments. I very confidently feel Lutron is the best that's out there. What we've come to understand about Lutron is they don't compromise on a lot. So when it comes to their engineering and their designing and their motor performance, the reliability, their range of what we refer to as control options.
Okay.
So the solutions that we give our clients and for the ability to control the shade, whether it's a remote or a keypad or their phone or what have you, all of those things combined, we just really, really, really appreciate Lutron and really like what they have to offer. And it's funny because I got into the business that we're in because of audio.
Yeah.
I was very much, and still am, when I get time to do so. I'm very much a movie nerd,
Yes.
and I love music and audio. The thing that actually gets me excited now, though, along with the audio and everything else, is motorized window treatments and lighting control systems. I don't know why. I mean, I know why they're cool, and I think what it boils down to is it's the thing that our clients get the most satisfaction out of using.
Sure.
And so to be partnered with a company like Lutron and to know that what we get to install for our clients is legitimately the best product that's available.
Sure.
It's what makes what we do so fun.
Well, and I know we've talked in many other videos, especially, and even when it comes to these other systems, lighting, control, audio, you only want to work with people who are companies that provide that good customer service. Lutron checks that box.
Yep.
It's a product, kind of like you said, like that would have like a good wow factor. It's
100%.
an easy entry into,
Yep.
look at what my house can do.
Right.
That
Nothing compares.
Right.
Yeah.
That just kind of makes it a really, like, ups that cool factor. If that's something you're interested in, it really makes it do that.
Yeah. So we work with a lot of clients that have varying backgrounds when it comes to the services that we offer. We have some clients that have zero experience with home technology. They've never had lighting control systems. They've never had surround sound.
Sure.
They've never had motorized window treatments. And then we have some clients that have had these products before.
Yeah.
And there's not a product like Lutron that people ask for if they've had it before.
Interesting.
It is hands down the product line and the thing that we offer that if they've had it before,
They want it again.
they have to have again. They will not have a home without that product if they've had it before. So it's kind of once you get an affinity, and we talk about food in these videos a lot. When you get an affinity for a good steak, and you start to like a good steak, it's hard to
go back to a hamburger.
You become a steak snob, and Lutron shades or Lutron lighting control or lighting control systems in general, it's one of those things that once you have it,
You won't go back.
It's really hard to not have something like that again. And they're just such a great partner.
Cool. I love hearing that, and I think that makes perfect sense. I hope you guys enjoyed that explanation. I think that's a really good one to have in mind when you're thinking about what that can do. So, thank you very much for joining us today, and stay tuned for another episode when we talk about motorized shades.